Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reopen one-time photo in WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. For that, you just have to launch your WhatsApp mobile application and then you need to tap on the profile of that person who have sent you the photo. Now over here, once you have already tapped on that photo and once you have opened it, unfortunately, if you tap on it again, you will not be able to open it and the open button will be written over here. Now, in order to reopen it, you will have to come back. And on the home page, you need to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on settings. In the settings, you are going to see the chats tab, so you need to tap on chats. Here, then tap on chat backup. Over here, you need to tap on backup and then it will take some time in order to back up your messages. Now, once it has done it successfully, you just have to uninstall your WhatsApp mobile application and then you just have to reinstall it from your Play Store or App Store. After that, you just have to log in into your account again. And the next time when you open the same chat, you will be able to see that photograph and it will already backed up in your device. So that's basically how you can reopen one-time photo in WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.